Have you ever wondered how saving just a little each day can change your financial future? You've probably heard that saving money means cutting out all fun and living on a shoestring budget. That's the biggest myth about saving your first $1,000. Most people think it takes a huge income or drastic sacrifice to get there. But here's the twist. Small daily actions beat big occasional efforts every time. The golden rule to saving your first $1,000? Save a little, save often. The secret isn't about waiting for the perfect moment or extra cash. It's about making saving a simple daily habit, even if that's just $5 a day. Let's break down the math because numbers don't lie. Imagine you save $5 every single day. That's all, no fancy budgeting tricks, no cutting out your coffee completely. At the end of 30 days, you'll have $150. Do that for about 7 months and you've hit your $1,000 goal. But what if you took it one step further and put that money into a basic savings account that earns just 1% interest a year? After 7 months, the interest might seem small, around $3 or $4, but it's free money. The real win is watching your habit build a safety net faster than you thought possible. Here's a small, concrete action you can take right now. Set an alarm on your phone as a daily savings reminder. When it goes off, put $5 in your savings jar, transfer it to a savings app, or even just move it to a separate account online. The key is consistency. Remember, this is educational content, not professional financial advice. Everyone's situation is different, so adjust amounts and goals to fit your life. The goal here is to empower you with a simple method that works, not to overwhelm you with rules. Why does this small step matter so much? Because saving money daily is more than just building a fund. It's building your financial confidence. It rewires your mindset from "I can't save" to "I'm in control." This habit becomes a foundation, a financial muscle you flex every day, moving you closer to freedom and security. The unexpected part? Most people overlook small savings because they think it won't make a difference. But compound habit building beats waiting for big paychecks or fancy budgets. Your daily $5 isn't just money saved. It's a declaration that you value your future. So don't wait for the right time or the right amount. Start today with your $5. Watch your first $1,000 grow faster than you expected and feel the power of taking control. The journey to financial freedom often begins with just one step, or in this case, $1 at a time.